Welcome to the second tutorial on living the Muslim life. We'll look at the 5 pillars, focusing on Shahadah, its significance and the place of the Shahadah in Muslim practice today. Can you remember the names of the 5 pillars? Sunni and Shia Muslims both believe in the 5 pillars. Shahadah is the declaration of faith. Salah is praying 5 times a day. Sawm is fasting during the month of Ramadan. Zakah is giving 2.5% of your wealth to the poor. Hajj is the pilgrimage to Mecca. The Shahadah is the first pillar of Islam and describes the 2 main beliefs for Muslims. Firstly, that there is one God, and secondly, Muhammad is his final messenger. The first part is reference to Tawhid, the oneness of Allah, and the second part to Risala, the communication between Allah and humanity through prophets. Shia Muslims add on a third part, which says Ali is the friend of Allah. This does not mean they think he is a prophet, but they believe he should have been the leader after Muhammad died. At the time of Prophet Muhammad, most people practiced idol worship. Tawhid is an important belief in Islam. To associate anyone with Allah is the biggest sin to Muslims and is known as shirk. The Shahadah is the first pillar of Islam. If anyone converts to Islam, these are the words they must recite. It is the basic requirement of faith and therefore comes before all other pillars. It is a testimony which reminds a Muslim about the important commitment they've made. Also, rewards are promised to those who put Allah and Muhammad before everything else. Muslims have recited the Shahadah since the time of Muhammad. It is the first word a Muslim baby hears, and it is also said at Muslim funerals. A person who repeats the Shahadah is called Shahid, which means person who bears witness. In the exam you might be asked to outline 3 Muslim beliefs about the Shahadah, or 2 reasons why it is important to Muslims. In summary, Shahadah is the first pillar of Islam, recited by Sunni and Shia Muslims. Tawhid and Risala are the 2 universal elements of the Shahadah. The Shahadah is a testimony and commitment concerning a Muslim's faith.